Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. So I'm with Zoom now. I'm on Zoom with our clients in the trade room and YouTube here. First things first, guys. We had a phenomenal day yesterday. We had $9,600 in realized profits, which was a really great day. We picked up a few more trades. We added to a couple yesterday in the afternoon pro trader session, and we made a space trade in the afternoon. It was actually one of the members that brought it up in the trade room, a trade idea. We took a look at the chart, and we figured that this would be a great piggyback trade off of SpaceX launch today. We picked that up around 15 something a share. She's already at 17.19 a share, continuing to climb, up 5% here in the pre-market hours. And that trade that we picked up, the 16 strike call, that's going to be up over 100% today. So I'm going to be locking in profits on space today. Our Visa trade, look at that, it's up over 1%, 195.50 here in the pre-market hours, looking great. Facebook's retracing a bit there. Royal Caribbean Cruise Line here, guys. Take a look at RCL, 3-month daily top right chart here. As you guys can see, $54.10 a share. It's up 9.16%, $4.54. We have an RCL June 19th 45 call, and that's going to be in the money this morning, and that's going to be very profitable. We paid $11.95 a contract for that, and that's finally going to be in the green, guys. After being down for about a month on that RCL trade, finally going to be in the green, and we will look to lock in profits, move on to the next. Carnival Cruise Line, we got a nice position on this for the October monthly expo. This one's up 11.3% here in the pre-market hours at $18.15 a share. It got all the way up to $19 a share here in the pre-market. It's up $1.87, 11.49%. We have a nice target on this of $30 a share from now until the October monthly expo. I like that, and we're going to keep that open. Got about how big's the trade on that one here? Let me take a look. So we have about a $7,000 trade on Carnival Cruise Lines. Hilton, we locked in profits on Hilton yesterday. I do want to initiate another position on Hilton, and we're going to have $90 to $100 target on that as well. I think we should easily see $100 here by end of August. That's easily doable. We're in breakout momentum, 1020 cross, first green candle, nice entry here. If you didn't already get into the Hilton with us, I mean, we're trading with profits here, so it's looking good. We will be making another Hilton trade today. We'll be locking up our space profits, and we'll see what Visa does here as far as locking in any potential profits a little early. Facebook's retracing, and the rest is looking good. We picked up also Macy's vertical bull call spread. We picked up the May 29th $6 strike call, and we sold to open the $6.50 strike call for May 29th on Macy's, creating that vertical spread there at 50 cents. We paid 24 cents for that to be worth the max of 50. That's a max net gain of over 100%. Here's the opening bell here, guys. Let's see what's going on. Opening bell up 2,000. There goes Carnival Cruise Line, up huge on Carnival Cruise Line here, up 1,300. Disney up $850 on Disney today. We're already up 16% on the new Disney trade we made yesterday. Holding on to that for right now. Carnival Cruise Line still climbing, up $3,000 now in the account as the markets are shifting and adjusting. Disney trades now up $1,000. Let's put Disney on the chart here. First things first, order status. Our live space trade. I'm going to close that out right now for 1.20. All right, we just closed out space 1.20, guys. There we go, 1.20 we sold on space. Locked in those profits. Good morning, Vincenzo Fiacco on YouTube. Avilio Rodriguez, Wilker Enterprises. Guys, please hit that thumbs up button for us. Would really appreciate that. Alrighty, so we got a nice profit there already. Locked in this morning from that trade. Let's see, Visa pulled back quite a bit there from the opening bell. Watching Visa for that next takeoff here. Visa was just up so nicely. It was up to 196 here in the pre-market hours. Down about $2, $2.50 off those highs. Still continuing to watch Disney. I'm gonna lock in our Disney trade right now. You know, I'm up $900. Why not? I could make another trade on that. Oh, let me see here. I got this Zoom stuff in the way. Sell to close. Disney, we could sell that for about 5.10. That's fine with me. 5.1. How many contracts do we have? Okay. We sold Disney at 5.15. 5.15, Ephraim. Sold Disney 5.15. Let me bring that up. Perfect. Great, great, great. You guys are doing phenomenal. Great team here. Good morning, Robert Clark. Good morning, Josh Wakaku. We just closed out some nice profits here already. Let's see what we're up. Nice. Accounts at new all-time highs again here. Did not close Macy's. Let's see what Macy's is doing here. Let me put Visa back over here. That Visa better start to climb there. Look at Macy's, $6.90 a share, up 12%. We could definitely close out that Macy's. Let's see here. So what we want to do here, let me show you guys how to close out that Macy's. So the option chain, that was a paycheck trade, and I hope that was properly sent out as a paycheck trade yesterday. Let's see, categorized as a paycheck trade. Anyway, let's see here. Macy's, ticker symbol M. Spreads. We're going to buy to close and sell to close. How many contracts do we have of Macy's? We have 30. 30. Type. We have the call spread. I don't know why this is being slow here today. May 29th is our expo. Okay, we're going to buy to close the short leg. The short leg is the 650. And then we're going to sell to close the 6 strike, the long leg here. So as you guys can see, we could get about 40 cents for it right now. We're missing out on 10 cents a contract. That's a big difference there. So I'm going to do net credit. And the max it could be worth is 50. I'll put it in an order for 0.45. And if that executes today, and I'm also going to hit all or none. Right here, see that little button right there, all or none. I don't want it to just do 2 contracts. So definitely looking good there. Midpoint now at 41 cents. She's still continuing to climb there, looking good. Place trade, and that is on, but that's not going to execute probably till closer to the end of the today, unless I do for about 42 cents, which I can, but you know, why would I do that? It's only 8 cents. 8, multiply that by... We could just sell it here. Be done with it. There we go. Pending live. And that did not execute yet. Very nice there. Facebook's still retracing. 698 on Macy's. Robert Clark said he just bought straight calls, sold for a 60.47% profit. Bought them yesterday with us. Nice job there, Robert. Great job on that. I didn't close out those SPY puts that are expiring today. Alrighty, there we go. We just sold our SPY hedge. Order status. We closed out of our SPY hedge at 48 cents. 48 cents. Havis, let me put you on here so I could help you out. Let me unblock you here, unmute you. Are you on the Zoom? Havis, get on the Zoom there and I'll unblock you and I'll help you out. Do that quickly, please.
Yeah, I'm on Zoom.
Okay, where do I see you? Okay. Great. Okay, what spread did you have trouble selling there?
The Macy's.
Okay, so the Macy's order status. Do you have it in like me? It didn't execute yet, but this is how it's going to look. You're going to buy to close the short leg, so the 650, sell to close the 6 strike, and then you're going to put in net credit and then the price. Right now the midpoint is 38.5 cents. You know, I mean, it's still well above $7 now, so you don't even have to do that. This should be executing any time now. It's live, but that should be executing soon. You know, if we drop it down to 40 cents here, as you can see, watch, this will probably execute. Did you set up your order just like mine?
Yes, I just did.
Then you'll be fine there. That'll execute some point today here, as long as that
Okay,
doesn't
thank you.
continue to pull back. But that's taking off here. It's at the highs of the day, so that'll execute some point. It's up 13.5% today. What did we get in that at? 24 cents. 0.4, divide that by 0.24. So if it sells now for that 40 cents, it'll be about a 67% gain. Whereas if we hold it until Friday, we'll have that 108% max gain. So it's up to you guys. I like Macy's. I just like to consolidate the portfolio, because once you get all these spreads and all these other calls in there, you know, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 12 positions in the account right now. Most of them are spreads. You know, 4 of those positions are spreads there, but you know, so it's up to you guys. If you want to sell it for that 67%, you could do that for that 40-cent net credit, or if you want to wait until Expo, and as long as it's above that 650 a share, you'll have max net gains. You don't have to do anything. So that's up to you. But I have my order in there for 40 cents just to get rid of it. Still 67%. It's a small trade. What did I pay for that? $800. So I mean, an extra $100 isn't going to do anything for me. But that's what we're looking at there. Macy's is still looking great. SPY, start. Let's see, Visa. Let's see Visa start to get that climb there. That Hertz trade I got yesterday is up 95% today. I'm almost in the green on that Hertz trade right now. Hertz is really taking off. Just did that as a little swing. Visa I'm down 1,300 on right now. I'm still at account highs, since we locked in those earlier profits. But that Visa trade right now is down 1,200 for the day, 1,100 for the day, only 1,000 for the day now. Yep, Visa's starting to climb there. Macy's is still looking good there. Hertz is taking off big time here, guys. I am almost in the green. I'm up 110% on Hertz right now. Ticker symbol HTZ. Carnival Cruise Line. Wow, I'm up 1,400 on Carnival Cruise Line today. Did Hertz just Hertz must have just what you call it?
In that press release.
There we go. Facebook, 2:30 call sweeps coming in for Friday. ExxonMobil, more call sweeps coming in on ExxonMobil. Disney had some put sweeps coming in. We sold our Disney, happy with that. Ford seeing some call sweeps come in. Hertz is halted. Hertz was halted.
Feds Williams says Fed still has a lot of.
I don't have AAL, American Airlines Avilio.
Says thinking very hard about yield curve control.
Dr. Reeves, what GE trade are you talking about? The one we got for the 2021 Expo? Is that the one you're talking about? Wow, look at GE up 8% today. That's in a breakout momentum pattern. GE is looking ready for a big breakout there. I like that setup, Dr. Reber.
ZSAN's Ozano shares hitting just about $1 now.
I think Visa is going to start to really climb here now. I'm watching Visa. I might do day trade on Visa. I'm watching that. GE's looking fantastic there, Dr. Reber.
TRPX, Therapix Biosciences moving here. Up 13% of 58 cents on Tango.
Wow, did you guys see 3M? Guys, take a look at 3M. It's coming back from the dead. 3M's at 156. Look at 3M here. That looks like that's going to get right back up to 165 by June Expo. I'm telling you, that 3M trade, now's the time to be averaging down on that 3M trade.
That's MARK.
What a move.
20% on Remark.
That 3M trade, I'm telling you, that's going to be a big one. You guys still in that 3M trade? Chung Ho says Bank of America,
says Fed wants
BAC
to
is
make
looking
sure
good.
businesses and households make it through without lasting damage.
Macy's is still on the climb. Wonder why that spread isn't executing. That should be executing any time now. Order status. That's live. Let me see. Well, she's at midpoint of 42 cents. I bet you if I do 39, she's going to sell immediately. No way that shouldn't be selling. I just want to get that out of my account. It's a small trade. There we go. Completed.
SKYS
We're out of that
Solar,
at 39 cents.
Sandy.
We
Hudson
just
Sustainable
sold.
Investments filed
Let's
motion
see,
for a summary judgment against
1.13
Sky Solar for various defaults, including
minus
payment defaults.
0.74.
Sandy Kilo Yankee
We
Sandy,
sold at 39
SKYS.
cents. We locked in another profit on Macy's. Let's see what we're up today. I didn't even see. I can't see because I don't have all my monitors in front of me, so I have to log into the website itself. I honestly have no idea what I'm up yet today. I took that loss on the SPY hedge, so down 423 realized now for the day. Plus all of our longs that are in the green here.
William says May or June could be the low point for the economy, but we're still in a very difficult situation.
May or June is going to be the low point for the economy.
HTZ, Hertz shares were halted at shares were not halted in Hertz. That's an error from
No, they were
Wire
halted.
Services, HTZ.
They were halted. They just came back on, Charlie.
Hertz shares resuming trade now. They was halted now at $1.09. HTZ. Coming up, the Richmond Manufacturing Index for May, minus 53, the consensus.
Medge Live says Moderna had a pop from this morning. GE popped.
FRAN, Francesca's Holdings getting a pop here to the high. Foxtrot of Romeo Alpha.
Karen
November.
Decker asked, how do we
FRAN.
average down? So perfect example, like our USO
$2.20
trade, you know, it's
at
down
the high, up
69%.
12% for
You know, that's
FRAN
something you could average
Francesca's.
down on. It's the January
RL
2021
Ralph Lauren CEO
Expo.
says recent bankruptcies from JCPenney and Neiman Marcus don't impact us. That's Romeo Lima. That's on their conference call. RL Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren. Havis sold 39 cents as well. Thank you, he said. Nice profit. Dr. Reeves says Lockheed Martin defensive play up
BOYU,
15 bucks.
value.
Let's take a
Shares
look at
hitting a high
LMT,
852,
Lockheed
Delta
Martin.
Oscar Yankee uniform, hitting 852 at the high.
Wow, nice pop there on Lockheed Martin. Nice climb off that 50 SMA. $400 would be a nice target on Lockheed. I could see that hitting 400 bucks easily. So if you're in Lockheed, that's what I'd be looking at. This glare is horrible from the back here. I can't see much on the screen. Bank of America is up 4% today. Wow. Bookings up $7. 1750. Citigroup up almost 6%. Expedia. Let's take a look at Expedia. Expedia 85.91. I think we could see $100 on Expedia by the end of the summer. Look at how low that came down to, $40 a share mid-March. We got out of that Macy's as a nice timing there. Macy's $6.79 now. Pulled back almost 30 cents from the highs there. Nice exit on Macy's. Nike's up 1.15%. Qualcomm should be one ready to move soon.
ACRX, Accelerx Pharmaceuticals announcing revised merger agreement with Tetraphase, TTPH, that's ACRX, and TTPH.
No, Elias, I did not get into Hilton yet. I will be entering Hilton at some point today.
Accelerx to acquire Tetraphase for $30 million in stock and cash, plus an additional $14.5 million in CBRs. That's ACRX and TTPH.
Everything's pulling back a little bit here from the highs, guys. So not jumping into anything yet. We locked in profits this morning, which was fantastic. And now what we're going to be doing is being patient here, waiting. Probably the afternoon we'll see another rise here. I'm waiting for that to happen. I want to see Visa hold that 190. I hope you're not talking about the square for May 29th Expo, Eddie. I'm holding my Visa June 19th. Square's not going to do much for the May 29th Expo, in my opinion. I don't think we'll see Square do that this week. Visa's holding that 190 area pretty well. Yes, I'm in the Facebook 237.50, 240 vertical spread for this week's expo. Probably going to be selling out of that by the end of the day. That's not doing too much. Unless it comes back today. Let's put Facebook on it today, 1 minute. This glare. That could quickly and easily come back. Facebook's a good setup here for a day trade once that gets that signal. on Visa. 3-month daily chart on Visa coming right down to that 10. I just don't want to see it retrace back down to that 20. Decide what I want to do with Visa. It has nice
Richmond
support right
Manufacturing
here,
Index minus
though. Right around 189.
27. The estimate previous was minus 53, minus 27 on the Richmond Manufacturing Index.
Hilton wants to start a climb again here. Might be looking at a Hilton trade. Let's take a look at Hilton
Again,
3-month
Richmond
daily.
Manufacturing Index minus 27 versus previous minus 53.
Hilton really looks great here. I'm thinking about doing something for the let's take a look at the Hilton HLT. The October 16th.
Coming up at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, Dallas Fed Services Revenues and Texas Services Sector Outlook for May.
July 17th, 80 strike call. Even the 8250 call looks good.
BLIN, Bridgeline Digital, top pharmacy chain, chooses Bridgeline CMS to power its corporate intranet. That's Bravo Lima, India, November.
Chipotle had a big pullback all the way back below $1,000 now.
Pop here, $1.77.
GE is still
Over that
climbing,
press
looking
release,
good there,
BLIN.
up 5.28% for the day. I'm probably going to be doing a Hilton trade soon. Give the markets a little bit longer here.
Bridgeline shares now at $1.89 the high, BLIN. WRK Slack August 40 calls active now, and WRK now at $38.93. EPAM, EPAM partners with Finality to develop next-gen blockchain-based payment systems. Echo Papa Alpha Michael, EPAM.
I'm probably going to see what Disney's doing. I'm thinking about making another Disney trade. Maybe something like an in-the-money vertical spread for next week's expo on Disney. I think that could pay off really nice there. We closed Virgin Space for a 54% gain this morning. We closed Macy's for a 56% gain as well. Nice job there.
Echo Hotel, EHang obtained world's first commercial pilot organization approval of passenger-grade AAVs for air logistics uses. That's Echo Hotel,
Here we go, getting another climb again here. Let's take a look at Visa. Climbing off the lows here. Let's see if we can get a little pop. Hilton, like I said, I want to get into Hilton. I'm just waiting. Waiting. Let's see, 1020 cross. She's still in BDM. Once she starts breakout momentum, I'm going to get into a Hilton trade. Here comes Visa starting to take off again. This might be a nice day trade for Visa. I'm at $9,000 on Visa though, so I'm gonna hold off on any more trades on Visa. Come on, Visa. There she goes, breaking that 20. I could see Visa getting back up to 194-ish today. So what was that feud about CNBC this morning? There goes Visa, guys. Visa's taken off nicely. There we go. Almost back in the green there. I'm thinking about 3M as well. 3M, Disney, and Hilton. Those are the three trades that I'm thinking about making another trade on going into June or July expiration. Colin says Facebook's crossing. Let's bring up Facebook. Facebook's definitely getting across there. 1020 cross. MACD's already crossed. Let's see. We got 229 as the next resistance on Facebook on a today 1 minute chart. Thinking about if I want to go see that SpaceX launch today. I'd have to leave here probably around 1:30. It's an hour drive up there, maybe an hour and a half drive up there. It's a once in a lifetime thing, you know. I was thinking about doing that. Once the wife and kids come back, then there's party time's over. So I got to enjoy this stuff now. Thinking about going up there. I'm not sure I want to take that drive though. Yeah, traffic's probably going to be tough once I get up there. Oh, yeah, President's going to be there, too. There goes Visa again, 191.24, starting that 1020 cross. MACD's crossed on Visa. Facebook's crossed. Let's take a look at Q's over here in the middle so we can see what the market, the general tech market's doing here. Today, 1 minute. So Q's pulled back a little bit too after that big run. Q's are starting breakout momentum. So you see, the trend is your friend here. Q's are starting to break out. There's that 1020 cross on Q's. Now you're seeing the rest of tech follow along with it. So I definitely think we're going to see the markets reverse here and start to climb here in the afternoon session. There goes Q's climbing. Visa, excuse me, got the hiccups here. Visa, Facebook climbing. Nice climb in the markets here. Hertz trade is almost in the green here as well. I picked up a high risk spec trade on Hertz. Picked up some shares of Hertz. Up 110% on it today. There she goes. Not many people on the ocean today. Hertz up 115%. $120 on Hertz today. Watching that because I'm probably going to be closing that out soon. I should hold on to that. That should easily get up back up to a few bucks. $119, 121%. Hertz trade is now in the green, guys. I'm up $800 on Hertz today. And there goes Hertz on the run. Up 130% today on Hertz. Wow, look at that take off. Up $900 on Hertz. Won't put that in order in yet. I don't like putting in an order until until it's close there, because the market makers, they can see that order in there and then they can just drop the price, make you panic, and then sell you out. There goes Q's. I want to see Q's cross that 50. Q's cross that 50. We're gonna have a nice breakout there. Look at Hertz from 80 cents all the way up to $1.30 today. Carnival Cruise Line's taking off here again. I want to see Hertz back up at around 250. I think we could see that easily. Eddie Santos is talking about Square. Let's bring up Square. Square getting up to that 50 there, Eddie. I don't think Square's going to, break above 82 bucks though this week. 3-month daily. It's holding the 10 though. It's holding the 10, that's for sure. There goes Q's breaking that 50. Facebook still holding that 10, still on the climb. Looking good. Like I said, I think we're going to have a turnaround and another climb in the afternoon here from what I'm seeing. Carnival Cruise Line is taking off, guys. Back in the green on the account here for the day. Carnival Cruise Line took off. And there goes Hertz up 140% at $1.31. $1.32. Alrighty, sold Hertz. I just sold Hertz for a nice profit there. Efren yesterday, he's like, why are you getting in Hertz? Why are you getting in Hertz? Well, because I picked up off the lows there when it was about, what, 70, 80 cents? Hertz is going to get back up to about 250. I'm telling you, that's going to be a nice gain there on Hertz. Let's see what the option chain looks like on Hertz. I just got 1,000 shares and just made a quick couple $100. Let's see here. Hertz, HTZ. June 5th Expo. Now let's go with the June 19th Expo. July 17th. 2 strikes going for about 40 cents. I'm going to pick up the 2-strike call on Hertz. I should do the $1.50 to be honest with you, but should do the dollar to be totally honest. The dollar's only $1.65. I'm going to do that. The July 17th, I'll pick up the 1-strike. It's only going for about 73 cents. Put in an order. See if I could get filled for 70 cents. Higher risk trade. This is a high risk spec trade. I'm going to post it in the trade room. Colin, that sounds like a good idea. I don't think Hertz is going to go bankrupt, though, to be honest. Mike Francic said he made 15% on Square breaking out of 50 SMA. Nice job there, Mike. Nice job. Elias said he just made a quick 10% gain there. I know they filed bankruptcy, but I think they're going to restructure. Arjun got Hertz at 69 cents. Good job there. Nice. Brian sold his SPY hedge at a low of $1.50. Nice job there. Nice job on SPY. Nasdaq's down 70 points. Dow's up 243 points. S&P's up about 7, so it's pretty flat. Gonna see if we get a move here in the afternoon session, but right now things are pretty flat. We locked in most of our profits. We're holding Carnival Cruise Line, the Facebook spread, Square, Visa, USO, and the Hertz trade we just made. Pretty slow day here. I'm gonna get a drink here. Where is...
Shares of Twitter dropping here, 32.48 on Twitter, as President Trump says that big action to follow. Shares of Twitter hitting 32.48, now at 32.79, down about 3.5%. TWTR.
Facebook, some call sweeps are coming in for the 2:30 strike for this week's expo. Facebook down 2.89%. Carnival Cruise Line at the lows of the day just about. Up $700 on the Carnival Cruise Line trade. Visa's holding 190 really well. I think we just got to wait until the afternoon session here, guys, see what's going on. We locked in some really nice profits this morning, and now we're just going to be patient, remain disciplined, and wait for those next setups here.
FRSX, Foresight Autonomous, FRSX getting
There
another
goes
top
Visa
there at
again, guys. There
$1.
goes Visa. Let's see it break. So Visa right now, what we're looking for is for Visa to break
Report that Amazon was
above
in talks to acquire Zoox.
Zeus. Amazon's in talks of
That's,
acquiring Zeus.
FRSX now at $1, up 6.5%. Foxtrot Romeo Sandy X-ray.
Scott, I've been out of EXPR, if I was in it, for a long time. I don't even know when the last time I was in an EXPR. Adrian Rakumar says, G Pro. They're saying Square's breaking out in the trade room. Let's see. Not so much. Had a nice run there, though.
MGI, MoneyGram's hitting the highs of the day. Michael Golf India, MoneyGram. TUES, Tuesday morning hitting new highs now, 27 cents. Low was 14 cents after filing for Chapter 11 that was in the pre-market. That's TUES.
I want to see Visa break that 190-150. That'll signify a break above resistance, and then if we could break above 192, we're clear sailing all the way up to about 194, 195-ish today, or for the rest of the week here. I still think we're going to see 200 by next week. There goes Square starting to climb off that 20 again. Nice climb off Square. There goes Visa again. There she goes, 191.45.
Dallas Fed Dallas Fed Texas Services Sector Index of General Business Activity outlook minus 41.7 in May versus minus 83.9 in April. Texas Services Sector Revenue Index minus 28.1 in May versus minus 65.3 in April.
Dr. Reeves is checking out pizza, PZZA, which is Papa John's. Let's see what that one's doing here. Wow, Papa John's is having a nice breakout there, Doc. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily. That's looking like it's ready for a nice breakout. $80, easy resistance. Resistance 2 will be about 84, 85. I'll take a look at that with you at the end of the day there, Doc. If that's continuing to run, I'm going to jump in that with you. Find something we can trade off of today.
CTRC, Centric Brands, getting a pop here. Charlie Tango Romeo Charlie. Some volume in CTRC. MMM3M CEO says respirator sales are providing attractive returns for the company. That's again at the Bernstein conference. That's Michael. CTRC Centric Brands continuing to move higher. Charlie Tango Romeo Charlie.
Still pretty flat on Visa here. Still in the no trade zone on Visa. Looking for a good setup here for the afternoon for us to enter.
IMMP, Immutep getting a pop here. India Michael Papa on volume now. Spike in volume on IMMP. Big spike.
I'm just watching the newswire here, guys. If something comes across the newswire and I see we could trade on it, I'll definitely let you guys in on it. What a slow morning after that opening bell, huh? I thought we were going to have some more movement. Karen Decker says, what about Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan?
AKRX, Acorn, getting a pop here on volume, Alpha Kilo Romeo X-Ray. Acorn, another company to file for Chapter 11.
Tesla's really breaking down there. I'm glad. What's space doing? We probably got out of space at good timing too, huh? We got out of space at perfect timing. I wouldn't be going long just yet, guys, in the trade room there. I'd hold off, wait until the afternoon here. You know, we were up quite a bit yesterday and today, so watch for some sellers coming in. Yeah, I think so too. Elias brought up a good thing. Something must be happening with the launch we don't know about. Down here, the skies are overcast a little bit, but looks good. Looks fine.
ROKU, Roku shares dropping to the lows now. Decider with an article suggesting that Hulu might be dropping Roku. Says this week many Roku users received an email notifying them that Hulu will be dropped from certain devices in June. That's ROKU. Roku now 102.44 Romeo Oscar Kilo uniform.
Visa's getting a big pullback there too, 190.
EIGI, Endurance International Group, seeing a pop here, $3.67, up 28% now. Echo India Gulf, India. Report now for the first time since the end of March, Ontario has had less than 300 new cases of COVID-19.
Wow, that's great news, guys. You hear that? Ontario, less than 300 cases of COVID-19. I like hearing that.
Crude dropping to the lows, 32.36,
Crude dropping again.
down 5.5%.
Even the banks are pulling back a little bit here.
MSVB, Mid-Southern Bancorp, may repurchase an additional 171,000 shares of its common stock. That's Michael Sandy Victor Bravo. MMM3M says not targeting a large acquisition in the near term. Michael. S&P futures continuing to fall here now, 29.69 the low.
Alrighty, guys. So what we're gonna do then? We're gonna pick up some puts on SPY. Should have just held on to those puts this morning. They'd be up now. Let's see, SPY, SPY. I'll get some for the May 29th Expo. A nice little hedge for us here with the May 29th Expo. Put expiration May 29th. We're going to pick up the 297 250.
SEAS SeaWorld
297.
asking for June 11th opening in Florida. San Diego
SeaWorld.
Sandy, SeaWorld.
June 11th opening. Alrighty, guys. I just entered into SPY, the May 29, 297 strike put. That's a hedge.
Shares of SeaWorld off the lows now, $18.46.
SeaWorld is popping.
Down 1.75% on SEAS.
Alrighty, guys. Just jumped into that trade. That's going to be sent out now. SPY, May 29, 297 strike put. And our target on that, it's just a hedge there for us. But if we have a target, we could possibly pull back down to about, let's say, 293-ish. So 293, 294-ish on SPY. That's going to be our target. Our stop is going to be first candle above, let's say, 301. 301 is going to be our stop on those puts. 290 to 293 is going to be our target. And again, that's a high risk. That's a hedge trade against our longs. And again, we're small trades, so that's not a big trade there. But that's what we're doing for right now. JS Byers is in diamond puts. Avilio Rodriguez is making some money on some Tesla puts. Nice job there. Visa's getting up to that 10. Let's see what she does. I think it's going to remain pretty flat here. We're not going to be doing too much more in the morning session here. If I'm here for the afternoon session, if I don't go to the space launch, I'll be here. We'll be live. And be looking forward to some more good swing trades here. I really think the market's picking up, and we're going to continue to see the market climb over the next couple of months here, especially going into the summer months here as people start to travel, get out of their house from quarantine. So really optimistic here about some swing trades going forward. Right now, I'm just going to sit back, watch these charts here, decide what I'm going to do with the SpaceX launch, if I'm going to go up there or not. But another great day today, guys. Great job today holding our longs, and we're going to have some more profits here. I'm looking forward to doing some more short-term swing trades and some more swing trades as the economy opens for that July-August expo. So great job today, guys. Going to get off of here for now. I'm going to be in the trade room. If you guys need anything, let me know. I'm going to get off of YouTube here first. Take care, guys. If you guys are not with us yet and you want to get signed up, you guys could go to www.breakingchartalerts.com and you guys could join us right here. breakingchartalerts.com. Come join us. You could use promo code REOPEN if you're signing up for the Pro Trader yearly membership. If you go to join now, the Pro Trader Elite membership, you could use promo code REOPEN, and that'll give you 25% off. So I think it'll be like $1,800 for the year for the Pro Trader, and that includes getting started classes, monthly classes, along with everything else there. And come join us, guys. And if you need help, you guys could click down here and message us directly right on Facebook, on our Facebook business page. So if you guys need anything, please let me know. Message us on Facebook, and I'd be happy to get back to you. Hope you guys have a great day. Looking forward to some more great trade setups here. And great start to the week, guys. Great job today. God bless, and I will see you guys in the afternoon.